Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 5 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts today is a doll or a toy. I've got this doll. Sand or stone. I've got this stone pillar. Something cold. I'm using water. A clock or time. I've got this part of a clock. A photo. This is a photo of my Uncle Alroy when he was a little boy. And bonus is something that came in the mail, and I'm using stamps. So I hope you'll enjoy this video, and I hope you're having a great day. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2023CWP5 to see what everyone else has made. I'll have them listed in my description box down below. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, here's my finished collage. Number 5. So I've got my doll. I've got my stone pillar. I've got something cold, which is the water. A clock or time. I've got clock. I've got my photo of my uncle. And something that came in the mail, which are the stamps. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. Be sure and check out the hashtag 2023CWP5. I hope y'all have a great and wonderful week. And until next time, bye y'all.